Hi everybody, welcome back. I took an afternoon off from work to twitch a European roller near the Dordtse Biesbosch. Word got out yesterday evening that one was found here, and this morning it could be twitched by some birders, but it was seen irregularly due to it having a large area it covers. So there are still a lot of birders searching as they haven't seen it yet. I have already seen two European rollers before in the Netherlands, in 2012 and in 2020. But a European roller never gets boring, as it is one of the most beautiful birds that can be seen in the Netherlands. The European roller is a migratory species that winters in Africa and breeds in southern and eastern Europe. Although populations are declining, once every couple of years one is seen in the Netherlands. It is a beautiful blue bird with a orange back, and there's nothing quite like it. There are, although, other species of roller that are seen in other parts of the world, like Africa, but those are a little bit different color or longer tail than the European roller, and those birds aren't seen here in the Netherlands, although they are kept in zoos. So we have had escaped birds in the Netherlands, but you can see quite easily if it's a European roller of one of the escaped species. And this one is definitely a European roller. The European roller likes to use a lookout to hunt for insects like beetles or grasshoppers. So it uses fences, poles, telephone lines and also trees to hunt from. The roller has just been seen again after being out of view for at least 2 hours. But for me it's still a 15-minute walk, so I hope I'll get there in time. Nee, ik zag jullie kijken, maar... Ja, dat idee hadden we. Maar die kant weer op, richting die boerderij. Sadly, I was just too late and one of a few people that missed the bird. When I arrived I saw 100 or so people standing on the dike and they were all looking up, so I thought it must be flying overhead, but couldn't find it in the sky. But not giving up yet, so I will search some more. As if dipping the European roller 2 times on a couple of minutes isn't enough already, now my car is also stuck. A helpful birder towed me out of the roadside, so I'm on the road again. Well, I give up. I've searched for 5 hours and I've missed the bird twice just by a couple of minutes. So now I'm going home. I will stop at the thrush nightingale of Lelystad, so hopefully that one will cooperate, unlike this European roller. And they might ask, why are you making a video about a bird you didn't see? But I want to show you all my adventures, not only the ones where I do see the bird. And I also want to show you that it can be frustrating to go birding sometimes, especially when you go out to see a specific bird and you don't see it. But that's all part of the game. I hope you enjoyed it anyways, and I'll see you next time.